8B.11, we're going to talk about approximating log values and also using change of base theorem. Okay, when we're talking about approximating logs, the first thing you would want to do is change this log into an exponential equation. Remember, you can take any log equation and put equals x to it, and then if you change this to your exponential equation, it's going to be 2 to the x equals 10. Are we all okay with that part? Okay, so when you're approximating, because I can't get 10 to be base 2, can I? And anytime you have an x in the exponent, you want to get the same base. So since I can't do that, I'm going to approximate. Okay, so I know that 2 to the third power is 8, and I know that 2 to the fourth power is 16. So 10 is going to be between 10 is between 8 and 16, right? So my answer for this would be that the answer is in between 3 and 4. That's it. So you're just approximating. So I'm saying my answer is between 3 and 4. So if they had, like, let's say it's a multiple choice test, and they had, like, the answer is 2 and 7 and 3.4 or 3.7, you would choose the 3.7 or whatever because it's in between 3 and 4. Does that make sense? Yes? Okay. All right. So B, I want you to do the same idea there on your own. So I want you to end up showing me what two numbers is x in between. So you'll just show me on your fingers. Like if it's between 4 and 5, you do that. Good. Good. Perfect. On your fingers without saying it out loud. Yes. Good, 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 good. Good. All right. So the correct answer was 2 and 3. So again, 3 to the x. You would just start. If you want to start with 1, you can. 3 to the first is 3. 3 to the second is 9. 3 to the third is 27. Well, I'm looking for 25, so that tells me that x has to be between 2 and 3. So my answer is 2 and 3. Are we good? Thumbs up, thumbs down? We're good? Oh my gosh. Okay, so example 1 here. Go for it. 1 and 2. In fact, you can do both of them. Good, 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 good. You can show me the next one. Yes. Okay, so on number 1, real quick, I put equals x. If I write my exponential equation, it's 7 to the x equals 9. So if I start here, 7 to the first is 7. 7 to the second is 49. So 9 is in between 7 and 49, right? So it's 1 and 2. Okay, example 2. Let's see your answers. Okay, you shh. Yes, yes. Good. Yes. Yes. A lot of you aren't showing me answers. Does it mean you don't know? Or, yes. Good, good, good. Good, 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 good. Okay, so 3. How do I change this to an exponential equation? What's my exponential equation? 3 to the x equals 200. Okay, I know 1, 2, 3, I don't know. If you want to, maybe start with 3 to the third, we know is 27. 3 to the fourth is what? 81. 3 to the fifth is 243. So 200 is in between these two. So what integers are these between? 4 and 5. Okay, there are a few questions on your test that are like these next problems that I'm going to explain, so pay close attention. Okay, remember when we were condensing logs, it became a single log with a division problem, right? Okay, these are two logs, a log divided by a log, which is different than what we were doing before. Okay? So what they're saying is that if you have a single log like this, log base C of A, you could end up changing that to a different base. You can make it any bases that you want. And it just happens that whatever the base number here goes to the bottom as your regular number, and this number that's here stays on the top there. And then so now these are base 10 instead of base C. So, or you could have given any base. Okay, so we could have done base 6 there, base 4, base 8, whatever you want to. Okay, so again, this is just the change of base formula. Sometimes you'll want to change your bases for whatever reason. And whatever your base is, that goes to the bottom. This number stays on the top, and you can change the B value to any value that you want. Okay, remember, natural log is going to be what base? E. Okay, moving on. We're going to try some examples here. So, on number 3, they want you to end up taking this problem right here, and they want you to change it to base 2. Try to do it on your own, and then we'll see if you're right. Okay, so what should end up being on top? Log base 2 of 7 over, and then the denominator is going to be log base 2 of 5. That's it. There's your answer. Okay, example 4. Do the same thing. They want you to write base 10. Change it to base 10. All right, so what would be on top? Just log 3. Do I need to write base 10? Nope. And on the bottom would be log 2. That's it. There's your answer. Okay, so just like we could change a single log and then write it there at a different base, if you have a log divided by a log, you can cancel out these bases, and then the bottom number becomes your base with your A. Okay, so here these canceled, and you got log base C of A. So you can go both directions. More often, you end up changing this to a single base, okay, or a single log. So on example 5, can you change that to just a single log? All right, so what will it end up becoming? Good, so we cancel out our 5s, and we end up getting log base 7 of 8. Okay, what about 6? So our 2's cancel out. Since the 10's going to become our base, do I need to write 10? So I'm just going to put log 6. If you want to write base 10, you can. So if you want to write that there, or log base 10 of 6. Either way is good. Okay, let's see if you get number 7 right. Talk about your answers. Share with somebody next to you. See if you guys agree on your answer for number 7. What does natural log, what base does natural log always have? E. When you change this, does it have a base E anymore? So can you use natural log? So you're going to have to change it to log. So what should number 7, do some of you want to change your answers really quick and talk about why you're changing them? Talk to people in your group again real quick. Decide if you have the right answer. So the answer should end up being, because we're canceling out our base e's, and we're going to end up with the base 3, I can no longer use natural log. So your answer should be log base 3 of 4. All right, number 8. These you will end up changing it to a single log, and once you change it to a single log, you should be able to solve the problem, find an answer. So I'd like you to try 8. When you get your answer, you can show me on your fingers. Good. 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 Good.
My brother was sick. I came back to my mom and he was like, I felt so bad because my mom was like, you want to see the baby? He's like, no, I want to see the baby. I was like, oh.
All right.
So I was waiting.
Okay, so what's the first step on this problem? Cancel out these bases and write it as a single log. So as a single log, this will be written as what? Log base 3 of 81. Now, can 81 be changed to base 3? Yes. So you could do equals x and do an exponential equation, or I would prefer to not waste my time and write this as log base 3, and 81 is 3 to what power? 3 to the 4th. Therefore, my answer is what? 4. Okay, you try 9 now. And maybe you need to change it to an exponential equation on this next one. That's okay. Oh, now there's this one. Do you need to do something? No, I said you can leave if you need to. You can wait. But that looks like. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there you go. I love it. You guys are very resourceful. Yes. Oh, I'm like, I don't know what this answer is.
Did you already put all the, because there were a lot of extra quiz twos that weren't graded. Did you already put the quiz twos in there? So you can check now. Okay, yeah, I just wrote it out on the sheet so I can put those in.
Yeah. Did you get worksheet? Did you get the one? Okay, I have them in the and you know what that worksheet is? Because I never put meat in yet, so you can do Okay. Yes. All right, so the answer was 1/3. So we drop our bases. Log base 8 of 2. Whenever that base is bigger than your number, you know your answer is going to be a fraction. So it's up to you. If you know that 8 is 2 to the 3rd, then that means that your answer would end up being 1/3. Yeah. Okay. If you didn't get that, and this goes back to our log facts, so hopefully you'll do well on this today. But this is going to be 8 to the x equals 2. Like bases would be 2, so that's 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the 1st. Drop your bases. 3x equals 1, and we divide by 3 to get 1/3 as our answer. Okay, number 10. Oh, yes, that's right. You guys got it. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Yes. Good, good. Perfect, perfect. You're amazing. Got it. All right. The correct answer is 5. Okay, so we drop base E, which means I'm going to end up changing it to log base 2 of 32. I know that 32 is 2 to the 5th. Log base 2, 2 to the 5th. My answer is 5. All right. These next examples says solve the following problems for x by introducing logs. Leave answers in log form. So this whole unit, you have to figure out how to go back and forth, and sometimes it's a little confusing, but you just have to use your brain. Some of you have a hard time with that. So if I am introducing logs, how will I rewrite number 11? You're changing it to log form from exponent form.
Log to the 30 over.
See how I just solved for x by changing it to log form? Do you see how x is by itself? There's my answer. They said leave it in log form. Okay? 12. Change that back to log form. Log base 8 of 74 equals 2x. Have I solved for x? What am I going to do? Divide by 2. Be careful. You're dividing this whole thing by 2. Not 74 divided by 2. It's log base 8 of 74 divided by 2. So you can't reduce this. Okay? So this right here is your actual answer. Okay, 13. I'm going to give you about 15 seconds. This one would be very difficult to show on your fingers.
Oh wait, no. L. I'll do the L. Alma, do the L.
You guys are very resourceful.
Someone do the L.
Okay, so am I changing this to log? No. What am I changing it to?
Natural log.
Natural log, because we have base E, and base E needs natural log. So natural log base E of 43 equals x. And that is your answer. Do we have any questions?